taking the piece. I like energy, ice and Hennessy. I can never be a plus 4-4. Energy.
It's 12 a.m. and I've been wearing my hair just regular. So I've been wearing my hair with my scarf, tying it back just how you guys seen me in my other video. So now I'm just taking some of these scrunchy things and I'm stretching my hair because I want to stretch my hair with my blow dryer, but I don't feel like I want to add heat to my hair yet. So I'm just gonna do 4 on this side and 4 on this side, and then tomorrow we're gonna see how it looks.
I fuck around and get with you. I didn't forget to mention the way that you hold me down. There's something about it, there's something exciting. You got it, you did it. And we ain't gotta waste no time.
Alright guys, this is 3 p.m. I put these in my hair last night because I was trying to stretch my hair, so I'm gonna take them out to see how they look. I want to stretch my hair today because I want to do my makeup, and I don't like this little shrinkage afro. Kind of left a little crinkle. It stretched it out. I think it stretched it out a bit. Yeah. One thing I can say, I think the mealy custard or miel custard, it flaked too much. I don't like that. Because now there's like flakes in my hair. I'm gonna mix some aloe vera, like even from the aloe plant. You can blend it and strain it out and add some water, or you can just use it straight. But if you add some water, then you can like spray it on your hair with some oils and stuff. I think that's what I'm gonna do to refresh my hair. I don't even know where my spray bottle is, but I kind of stretched it out. Look at how many hair ties.
I'ma just release what's on your mind. Tell me your secrets, I'm gon' keep on. They won't ever feel you like I do. Relax your mind while we smoke the sweet.
So I'm gonna do this side first.
You know you can get it, girl. You know.
Pin this out of the way. I'm gonna use the blow dryer. Make sure you have a blow dryer with tension. I think this is called a tension. I don't know. Make sure you have the one that has this thing, because then it's gonna help you stay where we need it to be. We just want to stretch out right here. We don't want to mess up the curls at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna do high heat just because I want this process to go by fast. You can do medium heat.
Due to some violent context, parental discretion is advised.
I'm gonna do high heat and focus right on this area right here, the root area. That's where you want to focus. And you don't want to hold it too long because you don't want it to be noticeably straight. You just want it to kind of stretch it out a little bit. You can see a drastic difference already from how it just elongate the hair, and that's what we're looking for. We just want it to stretch out the bottom areas so we can get some stretch, because the shrinkage is real. I'm gonna do that all the way up in small sections. Small sections really help because then you can make sure that your hair is not tied up or anything, because as you can see over here, my hair is kind of tied up, tangled into each other. So this helps you to detangle the hair and make sure that all the curls are looking pretty nice. You can see the flakes over here a lot. These flakes are pissing me off. Okay, so right here you can see the difference. Like, you see how longer this got, and then look how it's over here, the shrinkage. So all you do, you go through it and make sure that it's not like too tangled or anything. Then you grab the hair, you pull it a bit. Make sure you're not pulling the curls at the end. Pull it a bit like so. If you want to be extra safe that you don't get heat damage or anything, just spray some heat protectant in your hair and then carry on with the process. Now with the front section of my hair, I treat it a little bit differently. The front area, like right here, that frames my face, I don't go in with the heat because I want the front of my hair to grow, so I don't want to accidentally heat damage it or anything.
I know that negative change so quick cause
let me know if you guys want to see me do some hairstyles with my clip-ins. I think I'm gonna wear it sometime this week, sometime before I wash my hair again, because my hair has some flakes and I'm gonna wash it soon, but I'm not gonna be wearing it like this. I want to wear a different style. I'm getting kind of tired of the natural hair tease.
Switch sides. We don't talk no way. Oh, ooh, midnight. In the night, she a diva. Make y'all roll up sativa. Anything will go on wherever we are. Ready when you are, turn up the speaker. You got the right temperature, girl, your body too.
I want my hair to go past a certain length, so that's why I stopped the bottom right here. Okay, so now you can see the difference.
Ooh, midnight.
This is what stretching does, and if I just go ahead and part it out again and just kind of pick it, let me show you. So I'm gonna part it and pick it just a little bit at the roots.
I'm only vibing with you.
And it makes it a little bit bigger.
Ooh, midnight.
I'm sure you can see a little difference from this side and this side.
We don't talk no way. Oh,
I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then I'll come back.
midnight.
Just read my mind if we skip the small talk on you now. I don't have to stay till morning. I don't have to pack no clothes. I am really not that lonely. We finished, and I will go. It's whatever you want. I wanna please you most. Whatever turns you on. Just let me know. You are so curious, knowing that you're making love to me. You, like no one's ever done it. That is why I want it all the time. I don't want your heart or your love. Just do what you do to my body. I just wanna dance along. Keep me coming, make me want it, till you want it, till you love it. Have you want it, make me want it, where we going? Oh, living room floor.
Feel the rush of the body. See the stars painted over my skin. I'm always known to the top of the world. I felt love in some sin. It's so easy to find. I see your face every time. I can see that I don't have to remind you that more. Why you think my brain made fuckers just contain fuck mine? This great matter. You say goodbye, what is your woman? She just contain a fucking child. That sort of thing matter. I can't think why cause my eyes are all to you. My power is pleasure.
Ever done it. That is why all the time. For your love, I don't need your love. Do what you do to my body. I just want want it, where we going? Oh, where we go? Oh.